Did you know orcas fear one animal called sperm whales? But why are they scared of these creatures? First off, sperm whales are giants. They can weigh up to 57 tons and 60 feet in length, making them 5 times bigger than orcas. But the real danger comes from their tails. When sperm whales are threatened, they form the Marguerite formation, circling up with heads in and tails out. A single strike from one of those tails can crush an orca's bones instantly. And it gets even worse because sperm whales even hunt orcas. And since they have one of the largest brains in the world, they are able to communicate as a pod and outsmart the orcas. And the craziest part? Sperm whales can hunt in groups up to even 50 whales, leaving the orcas no chance to survive.